What if the machines around us could think for themselves? Imagine a world where robots don't just follow our commands, but understand, learn, and make decisions like humans. Welcome to the future, where artificial general intelligence, AGI, could change everything we know about intelligence and consciousness. But are we ready for it? For decades, science fiction has painted a picture of machines that can reason, learn, and adapt across multiple domains, just like us. From solving complex problems to even making moral decisions, AGI promises to be the pinnacle of artificial intelligence. But as we venture into this uncharted territory, one question looms large. Could machines ever become conscious? And if they do, how will it change our world?
Artificial general intelligence is more than just smart machines. It's not about a computer that can play chess or a robot that can clean your house. No, AGI is about creating a machine that can reason, learn, and adapt across a wide range of tasks, just like the human mind. The dream of creating a machine that can think like a human isn't new. It dates back to the mid-20th century. One of the first people to envision such a possibility was Alan Turing, a British mathematician who, in 1950, proposed the famous Turing test, a way to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. Following Turing, John McCarthy, an American computer scientist, coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956 and founded the field of AI research. So, where do we stand today? The truth is, we're closer than ever to achieving AGI. Modern AI has already proven to be remarkably capable. From self-driving cars, these advancements show us that machines can already understand and solve problems, just not in the way a human mind can. Today's AI is mostly narrow AI, specialized in specific tasks. But there are promising strides towards more general forms of intelligence. Researchers are working on algorithms that could learn across different tasks, improving their capabilities without being explicitly programmed for each one. But with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AGI opens up a host of ethical questions. If machines can reason and make decisions on their own, who is responsible when things go wrong? Could an AGI decide to make a choice that harms people, even if we didn't program it to do so? Think about it. Today, we already trust machines to do certain jobs, like driving our cars or helping diagnose diseases. But what happens when those machines gain the ability to make decisions in areas far more complex? When we hand over tasks like these, we're trusting that the AI will follow our ethical guidelines and adhere to human values. But what if it doesn't? The ethical dilemmas surrounding AGI are vast and uncertain. Should we let a machine make moral decisions? What if it chooses differently than we would? And what happens when AGI surpasses our ability to control it? AI is already automating many tasks that were once performed by humans. From factory assembly lines to customer service desks, machines are taking on more responsibilities. But when AGI arrives, we could see an even bigger transformation. AGI machines could potentially replace not only manual labor, but also jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and decision-making. As AGI advances, we enter what's known as the technological singularity, a point at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. The idea is that once AGI becomes more intelligent than humans, it could continue improving itself at an accelerating pace, eventually reaching levels of intelligence we can't even begin to comprehend. The question we must ask ourselves is simple. Are we ready for AGI? We've come so far, but we are still grappling with what it means to create a conscious machine. AGI is not just a technological challenge, it's a philosophical, ethical, and societal one. And while the potential for AGI is immense, the risks are equally great. As we move forward in our quest to create AGI, we must ask ourselves, do we have the wisdom, foresight, and responsibility to handle such a powerful force? Because once we create AGI, there may be no turning back. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The rise of AGI will define the next chapter in human history.
How we choose to navigate this new frontier will shape the world for generations to come.